Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. Going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is October 28, 2024. Let's get started. I'm going to start up by taking a look at support. And the support level comes off of the 100, or the hourly moving average. And if I take a look at this price action, there are a couple things in play. One is down here at the 1.3813 level. You can see the importance of this level on going back in time. We had resistance here, then moved above that resistance and used that level as again resistance right through here, and then we moved above the level and used the level as a support right through here, and that level of support has held since that point. And including on last Thursday, where the price low came down here, tested this level about 4 or 5 hourly bars in a row before moving back to the upside. The other thing I would focus on is the 100-hour moving average. Back here, the market held the 100-hour moving average and moved below it, then moved above it here and held it. Fell below it in trading on Thursday as we moved back down toward that swing area, rotated back above, and in trading here on Friday, the price came down toward that 100-hour moving average, found support buyers, and pushed to the upside in trading. Today, we are seeing more up and down price action in a fairly narrow trading range. The sellers did try to make new lows here in the early North American session. They could not sustain the momentum, rotated back to the upside. You see this 88 level. I'm going to talk about that next. That's off the 4-hour chart. When we take a look at the 4-hour chart and go back in time, the 88 level corresponds roughly with these high prices right through here, and it came right after that ceiling right here. The market broke above that level on its way to the 139.45 high price that we saw in the beginning of August. That 139.45 level is going to be a target going forward, so be aware of that. But it comes at the caveat that as long as the price can move away from this 1.388 level, and so far we've seen rotation to the upside and rotation to the downside, so there isn't a lot of momentum going on to the upside and trading here today. But the good news is it's not moving sharply to the downside. If it were to move up further to the downside and move below this level right through here at 138.64, then I think the sellers would start to take more control. The buyers would get a little nervous on the failed break above this 88 level. So we're watching this 88 level in the dollar versus Canada and trading here today. If the price can stay above that level and not move materially below it, I think the upside remains as the target 139.45 as the next key level to aspire toward. Conversely, if we start to move a little bit more to the downside here, then break below the 64 level, the buyers would likely turn to sellers and probe further to the downside, with perhaps this 13 level being a level of interest again going forward. So that's my look at the dollar versus Canada from a technical perspective. My name is Greg McCloskey. Looking forward to it, to trading. Bye-bye now.